Welcome back. I am Collins Trott, Child Development Faculty on the Wallace Community College Dothan campus. In this episode, we are going to be learning about global connections. After reviewing all of the week's content, you should be able to explain the importance of global connections in early childhood education, discuss the key concepts and themes that children can explore in a study of global connections, and learn ways to begin to teach and introduce children to concepts of global connections. So join me, Miss Trott, as we learn all about global connections. The young children we teach now will be the citizens and change agents of the future. Social studies in the early childhood years have traditionally focused on the immediate life and environment of the young child. However, it is possible to help them explore global connections by relating those connections to their own experiences and lives. There are 4 key concepts for global connections: interconnectedness and interdependency, which emphasize that we need to live with others and others need to live with us. Similarities can be emphasized. Humans have many things in common. Resources for learning about others are children's own backgrounds and experiences, other people in the community, and the internet, and children's books and other literature and media. Global education happens through investigation into the lives and perspectives of others. Peace education can introduce the children to the idea of helping others. Within the context of the home, children experience the idea of interdependency and interconnectedness. And in the preschool primary classroom, young learners can examine and explore their connectedness with and interdependency on others. A focus on similarities rather than differences is recommended because children can already identify differences, are more likely to concentrate on them rather than on how people everywhere are similar. This can lead to stereotyping of other groups. Art forms can build awareness of the common heritage between people. As children begin to realize that group rules are necessary, they can understand how groups function successfully. All human beings live in some type of group or social organization. People the world over have the same basic needs. Language is used by all people. These are all ideas to explore. The children's own heritage and backgrounds of experiences provide resources from which you can build their knowledge and understanding of international concepts. Other resources are people who have lived in or visited other countries or who are citizens of other nations. Global education focuses on how people in other countries live and their lives and examine the similarities and differences. There are 8 elements of a global education: human beliefs and values, global systems, global issues and problems, cross-cultural understanding, awareness of human choices, global history, acquisition of indigenous knowledge, development of analytical, evaluative, and participatory skills. Peace education focuses on counteracting poverty, prejudice, and discrimination, as well as anti-violence and war. Even young children can be encouraged to participate in social action. Now, let's review what we've learned. The world in which young children live is becoming increasingly global. Including aspects of global connections in social studies will expose them to big ideas and prepare them for the future. The big idea of global interconnectedness and interdependency can be introduced through experiencing dependency. We are dependent on others for help and friendship. Class pets and plants will not survive without care. The next step is to examine ways in which that dependency is mutual, leading to the concept of interdependency. We help each other in groups, in school, and at work. We depend on other countries for such goods as oil, food, and materials. Those countries in turn depend on the United States for products and services. People around the world are more similar than different. We all have basic needs, art forms, group rules, social organization, and language. Teachers can introduce each of these commonalities to the children. There are many activities that will help children explore these ideas, and the necessary information can be attained through museums, the community, embassies, and the local library. Global education encourages children to inquire beyond their own cultural perspectives and understand the world of other peoples, investigating similarities and differences. Human belief and values, global issues and problems, cross-cultural understandings, and becoming aware of human choices are all concepts included in global education. Peace education focuses on making the world a better place in which to live. This can lead to social action projects, empowering the children while helping others. That wraps us up for this episode. You can learn more about this topic by reviewing the resources posted in your course. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me or your instructor. Thanks for joining me, Miss Trott, as we learn all about global connections. See you next time.